Hey guys, welcome to Channel 2S. I'm your host, Second Soundwave, and I'm going to do a real quick unboxing of the a-zeta Gundam today because I don't have much time. This is the a-zeta Gundam. It's from High Grade Gundam Build Fighters. The box art looks pretty cool. It's around 12:30 in the afternoon-ish on Friday, and I won't be able to do anything related to this channel for the weekend, so I'm really quickly pushing this out here. As you can see on the side, just pictures of the kit. Other side's probably going to have more pictures. Yep. It's more pictures of the kit. There's some story information. Go ahead and pause on that. No listed retail price on this because this was a Amazon JP exclusive, and no number for it on the side, even though this is the Bluefin distributed, basically mass retail release version. Although if you are going to get this, it's probably going to be around $25. So I'm going to open this up, see if I can do this with one hand. Come on, I really don't want to have to edit this video because, again, I do not have very much time at all today. So I'm recording this right now. I'm going to probably put it up on Saturday so you guys can see it. And here we are, inside the box. So, first bag. We have a white runner from the Zeta Gundam. And we have a gray runner that is from the Zeta Gundam. We also have a couple little stickers, only two, so that's a very good sign. Here's some of the new parts. Oh man, the camera is not doing this blue justice. This is a very pretty shade of blue. I like the green beam saber blades as well. That's not something I see a lot outside of the Wing Gundams. We have some new transformation parts here on this runner. Some new white parts. I like the shape of the head. That's got a very good look to it. There's some shoulder pieces. A little bit of orange down here. Very nice runner. We have some more beam saber effects. Now, according to Dan, these are from the master grade or high grade Gundam XX, and you know what? I believe him. They look like XX parts. In fact, if I read the runner here, Gundamu Daburu, yep, that's XX. Here's another little runner. I think this is from the original, yep, this is original Zeta Gundam. And then this runner is more parts for the a-zeta. I'm just going to call it the a-zeta. I don't really know or care how you're actually supposed to pronounce the name. We got some gray for the rifle. This is another new runner. A little bit of black for a wing. There's some yellow parts here for the torso. Back of this runner. Ooh, this is a very colorful runner. This reminds me of the Arios with the orange and the yellow on the same runner. Got a little bit of yellow up here, a little bit of yellow over here, mostly orange, and one little clear blue piece that looks like it's probably for the eyes. So that's all that. This is that Bluefin kind of English assembly instructions thing they always throw in. And here's the manual. More box art. More story information. Hang on, let me set this down so it's not shaking so much. More story information. Pilot information. Let's see what's on the back here. Okay, so they're talking about the Zeta Gundam. Some stuff about the suit. You can pause on any of these if you want to read them yourself, or you could probably just find scans of the manual online. It's not that hard to find nowadays. More pictures of the suit. Coloring guide. And the last few kits in Gundam Build Fighters, minus the Logrinko, which is coming out, I believe, later this month, actually. And the inside of this is just, from the looks of it, just build instructions. Let's look at the parts list and see how much of this is going to be left over. So I'm seeing a few X's, a few more X's down here. So there's going to be a little bit of Zeta Gundam left over, but for the most part it looks like they're making good use of the Zeta Gundam components. So that's going to do it for this unboxing. I apologize for the kind of low-techness of this episode, but again, I just needed to get this video out really quick. So thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe, my normal videos aren't usually like this. They're generally a little bit better, just a little bit though. But if you haven't subscribed already, you can go ahead and do so now. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And as always, I'm your host, Second Soundwave, and I will see you next time. Take care, guys.